Hello guys, my name is Will from Miniature Motors. Today we're going to be unboxing my next build. It is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. For this kit, I have decided to enter it into an Instagram competition over the next 2 months. I will be filming and documenting the entire process so you guys can watch along at home.
Starting off, we have the instruction manual, which I will go into detail later on in the video. Here we have the body of the car. I am looking for any mold lines or imperfections that I will have to fix later on. Here is the undercarriage of the car with the frame rails, again looking for any imperfections or mold lines. Looking at the suspension, some of the interior pieces, which look very fun to build and paint. Here are the seats. Some other body panels and firewall. The dash. Some of the wheel pieces and engine components. Here's one set of exhaust pipes. Here are the engine pieces. A second exhaust and suspension pieces. And here is all the chrome. Now, I'm not sure if I am going to keep the chrome or if I'm going to strip down the chrome and re-chrome it and repaint it myself. Here is the back window and windshield, and they look to be in perfect condition.
And now let's take a look at the instructions for this Bel Air. So starting off, we have the color list and all the parts that the kit contains, the general instructions, and then options. This is a 2-in-1 kit, so there will be an option A and an option B. I don't know what option I will go with just yet. From just looking at the instructions for the interior, this is going to be a very fun build. I love doing interiors of cars. I can get that looking very realistic. Now for the colors for this car, I think I am going to do a dark blue and white with a light or medium light tan interior. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow along at home. Until next time, see you later.